Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. This video, we will be cleaning and caring for your slide out topper. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need a ladder, bucket, automotive soap, and a scrub brush with a long handle. Next, extend your slide out all the way, exposing your material for cleaning. It's time to wet down your awning. A regular garden hose works great. Now, using your soap and brush, scrub down all the exposed awning material. This is best to do this from ground level and on top of your coach as well. The final step is to thoroughly rinse off your awning to remove all the soap. Let the sun do the work and let it dry. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this how-to video. To see our other videos, learn about our product line, and order your new RV awning replacement fabric, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com.